Hello friends, this is Vishnu for Query Resolvers. This is the third video about getting started with XBee Pro. This is a software specific tutorial. So here we are going to discuss about the Zigbee's x-ctu software. So I'm going to say how to open the software. First download the software from the DigiLogic website and install it. Once you install it, you will get this x-ctu software in Start, All Programs, and go to Digi. There you can find the x-ctu. So this is the software where we are going to code the Zigbee modules. So I'm going to open the software. So this is how the first screen looks. Then we have to choose the serial ports in which the Zigbee modules are connected. Here I have connected 3 Zigbee modules with my computer. So these are connected in COM port 5, 6 and 7 respectively. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of the COM ports and I'm going to test it. So I'm going to select COM port 5 and I'm going to test it. So once the communication is success, you will get the serial number. So this is how you test your Zigbee module. So once the testing is complete, you have to go for your modem configuration. In modem configuration, you have to read the current modem configuration. So now it's in Zigbee coordinator API mode with a firmware version of 21.8c. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this to Zigbee coordinator in AT mode. So for that I have to choose the function set as Zigbee coordinator AT mode and the corresponding firmware version. The need for coordinator is it's going to start the network. So I need a coordinator as I have said in previous tutorials. So what I have to do is write it to update the firmware. So you can see the status here, and here you can see that in this the LEDs are blinking, which means that firmware is being updated to this Zigbee module. Still it's blinking, now it's off, so which means that firmware updation is complete. So yeah, the firmware updation is complete and now it's waiting for module to reset. Yeah, we got it. We got the coordinator in AT mode. This is how to configure a coordinator. After that, right click on this and open another x-ctu window, and parallelly you can program 3 modules or 4 modules or n modules simultaneously. So here this is COM port 5. Similarly I have 2 other Zigbee modules in COM port 6 and COM port 7. See here, 2 modules have been tested. Now again I am going for modem configuration. In modem configuration I have to read it to get the current modem configuration. So I got it. So next what I have to do is, this is in coordinator AT mode and correspondingly this is in router AT mode. If you want to configure one of the devices as end device, then just click it, go to end device AT mode. Yeah, go to end device AT mode and click the firmware version unit and write it. Again you are getting the status bar, and you can see here the corresponding firmware is being updated. Can you see the LEDs blinking? So once it's complete, the LEDs will switch off and it will restart. So here the firmware updation is being completed and I got it in end device AT mode. The problem with end device is if there is no network corresponding to its PAN ID, it will start to sleep. So first configure the router with PAN ID and then configure the end device so that it's connected in the network, so that it will never sleep. The next thing is about configuring the PAN ID. So PAN ID, you have to give the same PAN ID for all the Zigbee modules which is connected in the same network. So here I am changing the PAN ID as 101 and I am going to write it. It's complete, and you have to give the destination address high and destination address low. If you give the destination address low as FFFF, which means that it's going to broadcast to all the Zigbee modules which are connected in your network. So if you want to coordinate with so if you configure it as 0000, it means that it is going to communicate only with coordinator. So now let it be in FFFF, and I'm going for terminal to send data. Now I'm going to terminal here, but the PAN ID is different for other modules. here the PAN ID is 101, whereas here it is 10. So if I write it, even though it's in broadcast mode, you will not get data. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining.